Cordial greetings. My name is Alejandro Soto and I will let you know my hours to start one of the activity. Personal information. My name is Alejandro Soto. I am from Colombia. I am 18 years old. I dedicate myself to study and to work in the family business. I live in Turbo, Antioquia. Describe to the place where you live. Turbo, Antioquia is a municipality in Antioquia where it is very hot. It is a magical place surrounded by many tourist places, beaches, uh, amusement parks, country area, among others. It is spectacular. Uh, Personality. My hobbies are listening to music, exercising, and watching TV. Qualities. Positive. I am very painting, grateful, and kind, respectful of those around me. Negative. I tend to be very distracted, inflexible, and like at times. Routines in weekend plans. Every day I get at 7 in the morning. I brush my teeth. I organize my room, and at night in the morning I have breakfast. At 10 in the morning, I review the pending work that I have since university. At 11 in the day, I had lunch and I organize myself to do my part-time job in the family business. I leave work at 6 in the afternoon, share some time with my friends, and go to sleep at 9 at night. On weekends, sorry, he usually goes to the beach, eats at restaurant, at well, at casually going nightclubs. A significant person in your life. My mother is Mercedes Diaz Garces. She is 52 years old and she is an excellent shopkeeper. My mother is short, slim, with straight black hair, a sharp nose, eh, fair skin, and black eyes. My mother is responsible, content, optimist, and very dedicated to what she does. My mother is usually strong, weird, and a bit scolding. Share some experience, happy experience. In 2020, it was my school graduation. That day, I felt very happy for that long awaited achievement. A sad experience when I separated from my girlfriend. It was very sad even for me. The dreams in future plans. After graduating in the future, I would like to get a good job and continue studying to advance in my training process as a teacher. In the future world, goal in the future would like to like the United States for a while to improve my English language. But I always just to live in Turbo, close to my family and friends. The truth is that I have thought about getting married, but never about having children. Thank you very much.